Okay, sometimes, okay students, we are continuing it. Sometimes questions can be asked like a capillary tube is kept vertically, height is h. Okay, height h. Now it is making an angle beta. Up to how much height the water will rise in the tube? In the tube, if they ask, see, whenever it is mentioned h is equal to 2t cos theta by rho gr. Here theta don't think that it is varying with the rod to rod. Okay, it is a property of surface, it's a property of liquid. The theta is not just vary with the different shapes. Theta is a property of liquid which is constant. Angle of contact is a property of liquid for different objects. Theta is constant, t is constant, rho is constant, g is constant, r is a radius. If remains same radius, and how can height be changed? Height is not changed. So see here, the height h remains as it is. The length which is extended, L becomes, if it is an angle beta, L is equal to h secant beta. That's all. Okay, and here in this section it's given if theta is greater than less than 90, which force is dominating? Adhesive force is dominating, capillary will raise up. If theta is equal to 90 degrees, adhesive is equal to cohesive, so there is no rise in water. If theta is greater than 90, outside it is one height, another inside it decreases. Okay, if what is, so in the previous video we discussed that h is equal to 2t cos theta by rho g r. Acha, this height depends on radius. T is a surface tension, theta is a property of matter, rho g are constants, so everything else is constant, r is only variable. Okay, now consider first I injected radius r, its radius is r. I just kept this one in a water. How much height it raises? 2t r cos theta by rho gr. But how much height kept I said? Listen carefully. Actual height it should be here, but as per dimensions, my length of my actual practical height of the tube is h by 2. I took only h by 2 length, but actually length needed is h. What happens? Water will come out, okay? No, water will not come out. See, if in the previous case when height adjusted, when you kept like that, there is a formation of meniscus, right? It is formed with the radius r. When the length is insufficient, then the meniscus radius will increase. Initially radius is here, now the radius will increases, r prime. Okay, if you want to write in a proper way, h into r is equal to 2t cos theta by rho g. सुनो ध्यान से, this height into radius is constant. If these two height can I vary and radius I can vary. If I multiply the height into radius, I will get this value. So which is a constant? Now listen carefully. H prime is new height. See, h into r is equal to, I changed new height. I kept only, I gave h prime height only. I subjected the column height h prime. What about new radius? R prime. So r prime is equal to h into r by, h into r by h prime. The radius of the meniscus will change depending on how much height you kept. First and foremost thing, what you should check while solving this kind of problem, first to verify our tube height matching with okay, if h prime let's consider h prime is greater than h, there is no need to worry, because I took the height of the column which is greater than actual height. There will be water will rise, but remaining part will be as it is, no need to worry about it. If h prime is equal to h also, water will just reach the height of the column, no need to worry. If h prime is less than h, then radius changes. If h prime is less than h, then only radius changes, which means first and foremost thing we need to calculate practical how much, theoretically how much it raises, theoretically how much height it raises. and then after calculating, and then we should verify. First and foremost thing, calculate theoretical h theoretical, how much height it raises, then check whether h prime is less than h theoretical or not. If h prime is less than h theoretical, then use this one, height into radius is equal to h prime into r prime. The radius of surface will change. Water never comes out of the tube. Don't think that water will come out of the tube, water will overflow. So it never happens. Okay, so this is the only important point. H into r is equal to h prime into r prime. Why hr is constant? 2t cos theta by rho g. These are all properties, matter depend on property. H is equal to hr is equal to, so that's why it remains constant.